Hi, and welcome to this B1UP Tips and Tricks session. Today is a short one on how to work with the World Map Dashboard widget. So let's jump into Business One and see what it's all about. And out of the box, you will not see the World Map widget. It's not on any of the defaults. But if you are a company who works in multiple time zones, it might be a benefit to you to see this on the screen. So you could either sacrifice some of the real estate on an existing dashboard, or you can show in another view, which I'm gonna do here, the world map. So if we go up here and say add new widget, we can simply go in. We have all the dashboard widgets, but we also have the other widgets, and here we have the world map. And if you add the world map, it's very, very simple. It doesn't really have any other features than showing you the world, and it will show you what the time is in different places of the world, and it will also show you this highlight on where it's day and where it's night. So mentally, when you work with this, I can tell from experience that it's often, okay, you could actually still catch day in Beijing right now at the time of this recording, but New York is up, early birds are at least, and so on. So we can go in and see the different places where people are. And that's basically it. If you only are in one time zone, this doesn't make any value to you. If you're in multiple time zones, this can actually be quite beneficial. So with that, thank you for attending, and see you in the next one.